All right, good afternoon. This is Dre with Grind Major Day Trading, and I'm grateful that you are checking me out today. If this is your first time tuning into one of my recaps, I am a self-taught day trader, and my specialty is out of the money or low risk spread contracts on Nadex. And my goal is to help as many of you day traders, may you be an aspiring trader or an active trader. I want to help you become consistently profitable using as little capital as possible, utilizing my system of trading low risk spread. So as always, before we dive into the recap, I'll remind you all to go over to grindmajordaytrading.com. You can most certainly get enrolled in my one-on-one coaching. You can subscribe to get access to my trade plan, which includes 9 hours of live coaching for you. You can subscribe to that, and you can most certainly take advantage of an opportunity that I currently have going where you can utilize or get access to all of my training material for a limited time for $200. That's 90% off, and that is lifetime access. So that gets you access to, again, my PDFs, my files, the same material that I use to teach my class how to do this system day to day. You would get that for $200, and I would include 3 master classes as well, to help you with that. So again, a ton of information, over $2,000 worth for $200 for a limited time. So you would go over to Instagram, GM_day trading, or you could find me on Facebook, which is Grind Major Day Trading and Education. And you will see the post there where you can utilize the promotion. And if you can't find it, make sure you send me an email at majorgrind00@gmail.com, and I'll email you the link if you can't find it. Okay. So hopefully everyone had a productive and a profitable Monday. We certainly did today at Grind Major, because we had a trade plan last night that we were able to follow through on today. If you've been following us on social media, you saw Eric doing numbers. You saw Mike doing numbers. In a minute, I'm going to post Doreen's results. She's doing numbers today. I had a nice day. So everybody's nailing their targets, buys and sells, letting you know that my system works both ways, and we're utilizing it for both opportunities in the same day. So again, today I let everyone know, or excuse me, last night I let everyone know that we would be in good position to go short if we got price holding below that 27.57 area, and we would hit some support around the 27.50 area. And if we got below that, we should get price getting all the way down to the 27.30 area, to 25 area. And we were going to go long if we got price holding above 27.65 to possibly 70. We definitely run into resistance at 70. But that resistance could also become our support level if we got price holding above 70, because we could get price going up into the 27.80 area. And if we got price up into that area, we could see price just kind of drifting its way up into the 27.90s and possibly hitting that 2800 level if we were going to go to the long side. But obviously I took the short side. A couple of my clients and students took the long side, but everybody did what they needed to do today, which was follow the plan. So this morning, as you can see, we got the open right here around 9:30, and we got a quick sell-off down below the level where we wanted to be, which was 27.45, but then they quickly spiked up, which definitely enticed a lot of people to get in and out of the market. So a lot of people lost money if you were on the wrong side of that move. I personally missed it. And since I missed it, I had to just wait. You know, this is part of the game, people. You know, you don't just click, and you know, once you get proficient, yeah, of course, you know, you spot your opportunities and get paid, like what I'm about to explain to you now. But it's not just, you know, you have to analyze, you have to know what's going on, you have to understand the market conditions that you're coming into. So I came in late today. I was busy and I missed the morning moves. But I saw that we ran into some resistance right at the level where we needed to be above if we were going to continue to go long. So use your common sense. It's not hard, people. If you're running to some resistance where you need to be above to keep going higher, if you're hitting resistance there, then it's very, very, very likely you're about to have a nice little sell-off going your way. And that's exactly what happened. And price made its way down to the 2740 level. Actually, excuse me, it made its way all the way down to 2735 for the first time that morning. And because I had to just sit and wait, again, you have to do it. You know, as much as we all want to just click and get paid, which is what we do, but to be able to click and get paid, you have to wait for the opportunity to come to you. So I allowed for price to come down. We looked like we were getting a little bit of a retracement. I saw this as an opportunity to get in because remember, everything after this had not happened yet. All I can see is everything to the left. And right now, this looks to me like we were having a slight pull up before we wanted to get a continuation down. So I took my entry here and we did get a move down. It was really quick. It was for about 10 minutes. We came back down to that 2735 level, and then we quickly made a spike up. Now, this would have scared, and it did scare a lot of people out of position, but because we got a low risk entry at $27 per contract, why do I need to be worried about that spike? I don't have a margin call. I have a defined risk, which is one of the benefits of learning how to trade, where and how we trade. A lot of people who have to deal with margin calls, whether you're buying or selling, they got taken out of position. Either they got knocked out or they took themselves out because they were scared price was going to run away on them. Us at Grind Major, you know, me personally for this particular position, I was not going to lose more than $27 per contract. And I even had a plan for if price held above and kept me in a negative, I had a plan for that as well. So price spiked up, scared some people out. I held my position. And as you can see, they definitely applied the pressure because they went right back up there. But we held on, price came down, and we got our exit at $44 per contract, which is a profit of $17 per contract. So no 100% return today, but definitely a phenomenal return today with a profit of $17 each. And that position took us roughly about 3 hours and 20 minutes. So again, definitely not a large part of your day. Most people, and this is no insult to anyone, these are just statistics, most people only make about $100 a day. So you can make at least 100 a day, which I just made over that, then you're doing quite well. If you can master that day to day, you're doing damn good. And if you learn how to compound those profits, well, hey, we're talking about a whole different ball game, and that's what I'm trying to teach you. So there's the recap for today. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you got a lot of great information from it. Again, go over to grindmajordaytrading.com and take advantage of all the opportunities that I have for you there. If you're on Instagram, make sure you follow me at GM_day trading. And in my bio, you can click the link, and for a very limited time, you can get my information, access to my training material for $200. I'm leaving it around because, again, hey, I told you at the beginning of the year, I'm trying to help as many as I can. I keep getting the emails. I'm holding on as long as I can, people. You got to tap in because I have something that I'm trying to give everyone who's already paid, and I don't want to keep them waiting. And they're probably tired of waiting, you know, to be honest with you. So, hey, you know, if you're ready, you want to learn, tap in, man. It's $200. It's a very small investment for a ton of very valuable information. So tap in. Let's get to work. All right. Everyone have a blessed rest of your day. Have a productive and profitable rest of your day. And I will see you all on tomorrow's recap. All right. Peace.